So how do you track the Android phone location? Well, let me explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So it kind of depends on what you want to do specifically. If you have someone like a friend and you want to share your location with them, right? You can do it in a multiple different ways. For example, you can use the Google Maps where you make sure you have the location enabled, like so. You click on like allow while using the app, but for this purpose, I'm going to click on only this time. And it's going to basically show you your point on the map. So you can always tap on it as so. You can see your location is in here, and we have the ability to share this location or share it in real time, meaning that even if you move around, they are going to get updates about it. So you can choose any of those options and just share it to someone with a Gmail address, right? So if you have a friend who even uses an iPhone, right, but has like the Google Maps with a Google account, then you can also share it with them, no problem. That's definitely an option. Outside of that, you can also use other services like WhatsApp, for example, where if you have someone saved in your contacts and you have an active chat with them, you can also just go to their conversation, click on the paperclip and tap location, and you will have the ability to essentially just share your location in real time, live, or you can just send the current one. So that's definitely something you can do as well. And when it comes to specifically your Android phone, so not even with other people, you just want to see the location of this particular device, the best way would be to go to the web browser of your choice. Like I'm going to go to the Chrome, and what you can do is to find the Google Find Hub. So that is the thing which Google uses. It's like the Find Hub application, which allows you to see your devices on the map as long as you are signed in with your account and everything is set up properly, and you'll be able to see exactly where you happen to be and where your devices are. So if you have an Android tablet or a Samsung phone or something using the Google Find Hub, you'll be able to see them on the map, similar to the Find My on the iPhone. It's also available on Android platforms. So I hope that I was able to be helpful to you and that I could explain it well. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.